Trend Alert cu Tessa Peter.
Als je nota bij bia no preocupado mes. Tem diferente coisas que pode fazer gezellig aqui na mes. E eu vou ter muito na casa para que pareja assim algo romântico ou pode que squeeze em toch business meeting. Lá nós recomendamos fazer de setting maneira que botar for.
DV Bar na the Ritz Carlton, um verdadeiro tesouro secreto.
Well, first of all, welcome to the Bar and Lounge. As you can see, we are in a beautiful location. We're in the first level of the hotel. We have a fantastic view of all the ocean, and you know this is the perfect place to enjoy the sunset. So around, as you know, 6:30, 6:45, we'll have the most beautiful view on the island. We will have an indoor area, and also we have a terrace where our guests can enjoy handcraft cocktails and signature drinks from the DV Bar and Lounge. Our most popular drink, that is the kadushi cocktail, is made with rum, and we also have kadushi, real kadushi puree. We normally prepare it homemade. We put it all, we blend it, we take all the juice of the cactus, and we prepare a beautiful cocktail that is matched perfect with the sunset. The bar is open from 11 in the morning until 1 a.m. So if you really want to come and enjoy for a small bite during the day, it's the perfect place. If you want to get away of the sun, you have the indoor area. But if you want to spend and live in a little bit more of the beautiful view outside, we have a selection of sushi. And let me tell you the story about the sushi. The sushi, I can tell you by now that it's the best in the island. We have a local selection of fishes, most likely the snapper and the wahoo. It's locally sourced, so it's a great selection. Could be for business meeting, could be for a family gathering, or if you want to come and celebrate a birthday, it is the perfect place to come.
Super sushi bar para early bird y hasta late dinner.
It's open every day, every single day from 5 p.m. until 10 p.m. So please come and join us, try our signature Ritz Carlton roll. For us, every day is the weekend. So if you come between 5 and 7, we'll have always promotion on drinks. So it's kind of a happy hour. We call it the DV Interlude, and we'll be happy to welcome everybody in the local community to come and join us.
Trend Alert cu Tessa Peter.